We're seeing a drastic cool down heading our way to mid-Missouri, and it's coming in from our northwest. You can see it right now. There's a pretty large temperature difference between most of Kansas and its neighbor to the north in Nebraska. Currently 35 degrees in North Platte, Nebraska, and 81 in Dodge City, Kansas. Meanwhile, here in central Missouri, many of us into the 70s right now. We'll have a few more details about temperatures in just a couple of minutes. But let's go ahead and take a look at why this is happening. It's all thanks to this low pressure system located just north of Omaha and the cold front that's associated with it. Now this cold front is going to continue making its way towards mid-Missouri throughout your day tomorrow. Bring with it some much cooler temperatures and a few spotty chances for rain. The majority of the rain that we've seen over the past several days is starting to move off to our northeast, leaving us mostly dry right now, although we are still seeing some pretty thick cloud cover. Throughout the rest of your evening, maybe you'll still see a few spotty showers, but again, many of those off to our northeast. You'll be left behind with some cloud cover throughout your overnight hours, staying mostly cloudy tonight and early tomorrow morning. It's currently showing Friday at 5:30. You can already see the beginnings of that cold front making its way towards mid-Missouri. It's going to push along in front of it some of those spotty chances for rain. You'll likely expect that through most of your morning and afternoon hours, although these showers do look to fall apart as they continue to move throughout mid-Missouri throughout the rest of the day for Friday. Still going to be left behind with some pretty heavy cloud cover, maybe a few of those spotty chances for rain as we end your day for Friday, but more widespread rain returns to us this weekend on Saturday as well as Sunday. Now let's look at those current temperatures across mid-Missouri right now. Many of us in those lower to middle 70s, 74 degrees in Jefferson City as well as in Eldon, 72 in Fayette. It's currently 71 in Columbia, 70 degrees in Mexico, 66 currently in Paris. Now as we head throughout the rest of your overnight hours into early on Friday morning, many of us will start off closer to the middle 60s. But as we continue throughout the rest of your day, we're going to hit that daytime high pretty early on. I'm thinking most of us, at least Columbia, Jefferson City, are going to be reaching that daytime high around 10 o'clock into the lower 70s. We'll hit that a little bit sooner in our northwestern counties and a little bit later in our southeastern counties. Now that will cause a temperature difference throughout the rest of your day as that cold front continues to move through. By Friday afternoon, in the middle of the afternoon, many of us will be seeing temperatures into the 50s. It's currently showing Friday at 3 p.m. You can see those temperatures ranging from the lower to middle 50s. And then by 7 o'clock, many of us are actually going to start seeing temperatures closer to the lower 50s, potentially even the upper 40s as we head throughout the rest of your Friday evening. But temperatures tonight going to be a little on the warmer side. In fact, pretty close to that record warmest low that was set back in 1984. That was 64 degrees. We have a forecasted low tonight of 65 degrees as we continue to head throughout the rest of your day tomorrow. Well, it's near 70 degrees early in the morning before noon. Then we'll watch those temperatures continue to fall throughout the rest of your day. And then we're really going to start to notice that increase of cold air by this weekend. 50 degrees that high temperature for Saturday, into the lower to middle 40s by Sunday. Again, those widespread rain chances for both Saturday as well as Sunday. But then as we head into the beginning of next week, you'll notice those temperatures are going to be staying fairly similar, although it does look like we're going to start seeing more sunshine. We'll also start to see a slight increase in those temperatures as we head towards the middle and ending portion of your next week. And I do have a weather IQ question for us. True or false? Dry and hot weather can cause too many female pumpkin blossoms and too few male pumpkin blossoms.
Oh, I have no clue. I'm just going to guess true.
Yeah. It's actually false. It's the opposite.
Okay.
Too many boys, huh? All right. Thanks, Kesley.